15 says, what is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the figure? For this one, using the formula, the sum equals n minus 2 times 180. In our case, n is our number of sides, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180, which equals 540. So if I added all those angles together, I would get 540. 3 says, find the missing values of the variables. The diagram is not to scale. So we need to find x and y. The first thing I notice is that y and 106 together, they form a straight line. So if I add y plus 106, they should equal 180. We're going to go ahead and subtract 106 from both sides. When I do that, we get y equals 180, or just kidding, excuse me, equals 180 minus 106, which really gives me, what, 74? So I know that this little angle here is going to be 74, and we're still looking for x. Now I have a shape that has 4 sides, so all 3 angles are going to add up to 360. If you don't know that, you could do n minus 2 times 180 to find it. But once you plug in, for this one, n is going to equal 4, you're going to go ahead and get 360. So really, I'm going to set up an equation that says 74 plus 119 plus 74 plus x equals 180. We're going to add up all the things on the left side, so you should do what? 74 plus 119 plus 74, and that gives you 267. So 267 plus x equals 360. We're going to subtract our 267 from both sides, and we get 360 minus 267, x equals 93. So my final answers would be x equals 93 and y equals 74. And 34 says, what is the measure of one interior angle of a regular 30gon? Now, if we're looking for one interior angle, our formula is going to be n minus 2 times 180 all over n. And in our case, n equals 30. So for my equation, we're going to do 30 minus 2 times 180 all over 30. On the top, that gives me 28 times 180, all divided by 30. I forgot a 0 here earlier. And if we do that, 28 times 180 gives me 5,040. We're going to divide that by 30. And we get, this guy equals 168. So that means if I have a shape with 30 sides, my interior angles are going to be 168 degrees.